Hey, stop! Before you click away, give me 2 minutes. Because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you write novels, how you publish on Amazon, and how you build a real royalty income stream starting today. Imagine this for a second. What if you could publish a complete, professionally written novel without writing a single word yourself, without hiring a ghostwriter, without touching a design tool or formatting software? Sounds impossible, right? But let me ask you something. Be honest. Why are so many people still struggling to publish novels the hard way? Think about what it actually takes. You have to come up with a story idea, outline the plot, build the characters, write chapter after chapter, edit, proofread, format, design a cover, learn Amazon KDP, upload the files, get the categories right, and then do it all over again for the next book. No wonder most people never finish their first novel. Not because they lack creativity, but because the process is overwhelming. Weeks of writing, months of effort, and sometimes 0 sales. And here's the frustrating part. Amazon rewards one thing above everything else: consistency. Authors who publish consistently build a backlist. Authors who don't get buried. So the real question becomes, how do you publish consistently? When writing a single novel already takes months? That's exactly why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something automated, something powered by AI. Introducing Novel Series Creator, the breakthrough AI software that writes, designs, formats, and publishes complete best-selling novel series automatically from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI writing tool, and it's not another plot generator. This is a complete AI novel publishing software. Here's what happens once you activate it. The AI story engine turns any idea into a full novel blueprint. Characters, plot, chapter outlines, dialogue cues, all done. Then the AI manuscript engine writes your full-length novel. Genre-matched pacing, consistent voice across every book in your series. Ready to publish prose in minutes. Next, the AI cover studio designs your cover. Romance, thriller, fantasy, dark romance, mafia romance. Stunning genre-ready covers in seconds. Then the one-click formatter converts your manuscript into a KDP-ready ebook. Table of contents, chapter formatting, print-ready paperback files, everything. And then, your novel is ready to publish on Amazon KDP automatically, which means no writing experience, no ghostwriter fees, no cover designer, no formatting headaches, no complicated publishing setup. Just type your idea, generate your novel, publish on Amazon. And here's where it gets really interesting. Because once your novels start going live on Amazon, those books become digital assets, working for you 24 hours a day, earning royalties, building your backlist, bringing in Kindle Unlimited page read income, not for one day, but potentially for years. That's the real power of a novel series as a passive income machine. And the income opportunity is real. Kindle Unlimited pays out over $40 million every single month to authors. Romance, dark romance, thriller, and fantasy readers binge entire series. Self-published authors build recurring royalty income, book after book. You don't need a literary agent. You don't need a publishing house. You don't need years of writing experience. All you need is a system that can produce quality novels consistently. Novel Series Creator is that system. Here's the software breakdown. AI story and plot engine. Full novel blueprint from any idea. AI manuscript writing engine, complete chapters written for you. AI cover design studio, genre-matched covers in seconds. One-click ebook formatter, KDP-ready files instantly. Multi-book series planner, plan entire series from one dashboard. Smart series organizer, track every book, chapter, and project. Multi-language novel creation, reach global Amazon markets. Commercial license included. Ghostwrite for clients, keep 100% profit, and don't worry. This software was designed to be beginner-friendly. No coding, no writing experience, no design skills. If you can type a simple idea into a box, you can publish your first AI novel today. Now here's the kicker. Most tools that do even a fraction of this charge monthly subscriptions. Ghostwriting software, $97 per month. Cover design tools, $49 per month. Ebook formatters, $29 per month. Publishing consultants, $500 plus per book. That adds up to $500 or more every single month. But today, during this special launch window, you can unlock Novel Series Creator for a tiny one-time payment. No subscriptions, no monthly fees, no recurring charges. Pay once, use it forever. And of course, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you try Novel Series Creator and decide it's not for you, just contact support and we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So the real question is simple. Do you keep trying to write novels the slow, expensive, exhausting way? Or do you activate an AI software that writes, designs, and publishes complete novels for you? If you're ready to, publish your first AI novel without writing a single word. Create complete novel series across romance, thriller, fantasy, dark romance, and more. Design professional covers, automatically launch KDP-ready ebooks and paperbacks, consistently build a real royalty income stream from Amazon Ghostwrite novels for clients, and keep 100% of the fee, and finally stop letting that unwritten story idea sit in your head, then click the button below. Yes, give me instant access to Novel Series Creator now. One-time payment, no monthly fees, 30-day guarantee. Activate Novel Series Creator and let the AI write your first novel today. No writing, no design skills, no stress, just novels, just royalties, just automation. Your move.